Hello everyone, welcome to Jai Hathi Chemistry. Today we solve this type of problems which is based on Bohr atomic theory. According to Bohr atomic theory, whenever an electron revolves around the nucleus, it possesses fixed amount of energy, and the energy can be calculated as E equal to, for nth orbit, minus 2 pi square me for z square by n square h square. Here m is the mass of electron, E is the charge of electron, Z is the nuclear charge or atomic number, n is the number of orbit, which orbit electrons present, h is the Planck's constant. So all these variables are constants. All these minus 2 pi square me for by s square by z square n square, all these are constant term and this is variable term. So the energy of electron is negative, which is due to some, whenever here nucleus, suppose here nucleus and here electron, if it remain at infinity distance, so suppose here electron at infinity distance, so the electrostatic potential energy of electron here is, that is electrostatic potential energy equal to Q1 Q2 by R. This is electrostatic potential energy, K Q1 Q2 by R. Here Q1 is the charge of nucleus, here Q2 is the charge of electron, here R is the separated distance between them. But here if the electron remains at infinity distance from the nucleus, then here R is infinity. If we here put infinity, then it becomes, the energy of electron becomes K Q1, suppose charge of nucleus E, this is also E divided by, here R is infinity, then it becomes, infinity means something by 0, that it becomes 0. So the energy of electrons at infinity distance from the nucleus possess 0 energy. When electron reach in any orbit surrounded by the nucleus, then some negative work is done. So an electron possesses negative energy. Whenever an electron revolves around the nucleus, it possesses negative energy. So the energy of electron, which is calculated by Bohr's atomic theory, by Bohr, which was calculated as, for nth orbit, E n equal to minus 2 pi square me for z square by n square h square. So these are constant terms, these are variables. So let us solve this problem. For hydrogen like atoms, the ground state energy of is proportional to. So the ground state energy of, according to Bohr's theory, the ground state energy is this. So here given mu by z square by nu z square 1 by nu z square, where nu is the reduced mass and z is the nuclear charge. Here z is nuclear charge, here m is the mass. So it is the functions of mass into z square. So that is, here mass is given as a reduced mass. So here we put in the place of n nu z square. So the term, it must be here this option. Okay, so this is the answer. Now here let us solve this problem. If the ionization energy of electron, ionization energy of hydrogen atom is x, the ionization energy of lithium 2 plus is 2x, 3x, 9x, 27x. So when an electron revolves around the nucleus, the energy which is possessed is known as electron's energy. To remove electron from its definite orbit is known as ionization energy, the energy which is required. So the electronic energy is this. So to remove electron from its orbit is same energy is required to remove the electron from its orbit, but in opposite nature, which is, suppose this is the energy of electron, then plus 2 pi square me for by h square z square n square, this is the ionization energy. Okay, so the energy of electron and the ionization energy, magnitude of energy of electron and ionization energy is same but opposite in nature. Here this is electronic energy is negative but ionization energy is positive. So let us solve this type of question. Here the ionization energy of hydrogen atom is x. Suppose for a hydrogen atom the ionization energy is, suppose this is a constant term, suppose RH z square by n square, which is given as x. The ionization energy of lithium 2 plus. So for hydrogen Z is 1, N is 1. So RH is x. For lithium 2 plus, Li 2 plus, here RH value is RH z square by n square. Here n is not given, so n equal to 1. So RH 1 square, here for lithium 2 plus, which is a monoelectronic species, so Z equal to 3, that is 3 square. This value is x, so 9x. Okay, so this option is correct. So for this type of problem, subscribe my channels.